Magnificent views await you from this spacious and furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo on the 7th floor of Barefoot Resort's Yacht Club Villas. With an open floor plan featuring a substantial kitchen with granite and plentiful workspace, a sizable dining area, and a huge living room with balcony, your abode is complete with incredible views overlooking the Intracoastal Waterway, Barefoot Marina, and a 15,000 square foot pool. The primary bedroom, located on the waterway side, provides beautiful views from its own balcony. Other ensuite amenities include garden tub, walk-in shower, dual sinks, and walk-in closet. Barefoot Resort offers 4 world-class golf courses and full access to one of the largest pools on the Grand Strand. Waterway boating is within walking distance, and it's a short ride to a conference center, all the fabulous markets, restaurants, and grills this Atlantic Ocean community has to offer. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Call us today